Do you want to become fully invisible on Discord? Let's see, how can you do it? First of all, you will need to make your username invisible. To do this, copy the invisible symbol. Now go to your profile setting and click on the edit button. Paste invisible symbol in the username tab. And yes, if you face this error like too many members have this name, then simply paste these symbols again or remove any one or two symbols until it works. Now simply enter your password and click on Done button. Let's see if it works or not. As you can see, my username is fully invisible in the chat section. It is also invisible in the profile view. It means it worked. Now let's move to the invisible profile picture. Set this transparent image on your profile picture and click on the Apply button. As you can clearly see, my profile is now fully invisible. I hope this video will help you. If you are new here to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. This will motivate me to make more videos. See you in the next video. Peace out.